Hello! At the end of this video, you will be able to animate a coin in your 3D game. So you see, in the game I'm currently making, I added a new little feature. My coin is now rotating and moving along the vertical axis. So I'm going to show you how I did it. You see, I have two parts in my script, one for the animation and one for the function mode of the coin. This one is very easy. It's just that when you pick up a coin, the number of gold is actually increased and a little coin sound is played, and finally it disappears so that the player can't pick it up again. For the animation part, there is two parts in this one for the rotation and the other one just for the movement along the vertical axis. You can see that if I remove this one, the rotation will still happen. But because the physics process function is called every frame per second, if I take a number that is too big, it will rotate very fast. So you don't need to have a very big number. 0.1 is very good for that. For the movement along the vertical axis, I introduced a variable called top, which is true only when it is at the top position. So at the initial position, it will be false, and the position of the coin will increase, you see, plus equal, until the coin reach the top position that I took, which is 2. For example, if I take 4, you will see that it will go much higher. Okay, so you see that it still works. And when it reaches the top position, then the coin will go to the bottom, because when top is true, the position of the coin will decrease until it reaches the bottom position, and then top will be false. So you can see right here, top is true, and top is false, top is true, top is false. And that is it. If you need any help for your game, or if you want to play the beta of my game, you can join my Discord. Anyway, have a nice day.